Hello everyone, this is going to be my assignment for critique social media content assignment. So for my assignment, I have chosen the channel called Explains 101. The Explains 101 channel specializes in simplifying financial topics such as debt, inflation, global currency, and everything into really simple words. The target audience mainly includes students, young adults, and professionals who are curious about money and the global economy. The typical content in this channel revolves around financial topics, just as I mentioned, debt, why can't everyone have money, stuff like that, how topics like that. It blends it with really good visuals and simple visuals, such as this man you can see over here. And it is really fun to watch for all people. The style uses visuals, real world examples in which we also relate to, which make the learning more easier. Here we can see that it has 273,000 subscribers. And the now if we talk about the videos that I chose for this assignment are, first video is going to be why different currencies have different values. This video did really good. It had 1.7 million views. The second video is how Ponzi scheme works. This video didn't do as good as it only has 53,000 views. So the hook about this, so that if we talk about the video that did good, which is video one, the hook opens with a story in which the narrator is talking about this person Bob, who is going to different countries and is wondering that why doesn't all the countries have the same currency and the same value, which really hooks people into and where gets their attention. Their first exit point also in the video is around 30% through the video here, where they start talking about interest rates, and there's a big heavy dump of knowledge talking about central bank, Federal Reserve, and stuff like that, which could slow the video down and make casual viewers leave the video. The hook, there's also one more thing that I really liked about the video. It was through the end of the video, around 12:50 time span, timestamp. Over here, the narrator started to talk about why China does devaluation and why does it by voluntarily, why does it do deliberately. And to understand the concept of devaluation, really tied to the whole video, and this is a really interesting topic, which also is connected to this video, which leads the people to the next video, which hooks the people onto the channel even more. The call to action in this video was really general and normal and common, just like and subscribe at the end of the video, nothing special. They could have placed the call to action in the middle of the video or between the video somewhere so that people can actually see the call of action instead of just leaving the video right away and when it has ended. Now, if we talk about the second video, which is how Ponzi scheme works, it had 52,000 views, as we can see, and it didn't do as good as the other videos. So the hook of the video was when it started off with a joke, which said like, it starts with a joke and light humor and not enough. It was a joke, but it was not really that good of a joke because it's really outdated. Even if we take into account of 1 year back, it is still outdated. It was good enough to get the people into the video, but not enough to really have them stick to the video. Their first exit point was just 20 seconds in when the person started talking about this Ponzi person instead of talking about what the Ponzi scheme is, which is the original title of the video. So this history could be boring for some people, which could make them exit the video sooner. The second exit point is when the person started talking about a big Ponzi scam over here. Again, talking about some person, history, and events, which is not really interesting to people who just came here to know what Ponzi scheme is and how it works. So this could slow the video down and make people exit the video. And the call to action in this video was very, very late. It was right at the end of the video when people have already left the video, because people would leave the video around this point, 3:13, and the call to action came around like 3:30, which is very, very late. Again, they could have put the call to action in the middle of the video so people could actually see it. Now, if we look at the recommendations, they could build emotional curiosity early by starting videos with a surprising question or relatable statement instead of a plain intro. For example, for the Ponzi scheme, a good intro could be, what if your money suddenly lost half of its value overnight? instead of, just saying, ever heard of a Ponzi scheme. The second recommendation would be balancing education with entertainment. Adding humor and animations or short skits to keep viewers engaged while learning could help in them sticking to the video. The third recommendation could be to add clear and creative calls to action instead of just the normal generic ones like and subscribe and share. We could say things like comment if you have ever seen a scam like Ponzi scam, or something like comment if you have ever heard of a Ponzi scam or a similar pyramid scheme scam. Or we could also say something like share this video to your friends so that they can be aware of this scam. This is a really creative call to action, which is better than just the like and subscribe. So this was my presentation. These are my references to the video 1 and 2. And yeah, thank you.